Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by enabling the phone's tethering feature and picking a connection method. On Android or iPhone Open Settings, go to Hotspot or Personal Hotspot and turn it on. Choose USB if you want stable speed and low latency. Use Wi-Fi hotspot for multiple devices or Bluetooth for minimal power use. Make sure the phone is charged and that your PC recognizes the device. Install drivers if prompted. Once done, keep an eye on your data allowance so you don't exceed limits. Now perform the detailed connection steps for your chosen method. If using USB, plug the phone into a PC port, enable USB tethering on the phone, and watch for a new Ethernet or mobile interface in network settings. For Wi-Fi hotspot, set an SSID and WPA2 password on the phone, then select that network on the PC and enter the password. For Bluetooth, pair the devices first, then enable network access or personal area network on the PC. Finish by confirming the PC has internet. Open a browser and load a site or ping a public IP. If performance is poor, switch methods. USB often improves stability versus Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Set the connection as metered on Windows to prevent background updates and monitor mobile data usage. When you're finished, disable tethering to conserve battery. Troubleshooting tip. If the PC shows no network, unplug and reconnect the cable. Restart the phone's hotspot and reinstall the phone's USB driver. This resolves most recognition issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.